Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bitchute, upload and watch videos step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.bitchute.com and press enter. Once the site loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be presented with a login form. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the designated password field. After filling in your credentials, click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. To upload a video, locate the upload button, typically found at the top of the screen. Click on the upload button to open the upload interface. Now, select the video file you wish to upload from your device. You can also add a title, description, and tags to your video. Once you've filled in the necessary, click on the upload button to start the process. Your video will begin to upload, and you will see a progress bar. After the upload is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, to watch videos, return to the homepage by clicking on the Bitchute logo. Use the search bar to find specific videos or browse through the categories. When you find a video you want to watch, click on its thumbnail. The video will begin playing in the video player. You can adjust the volume, pause, or skip ahead using the controls below the video. Enjoy exploring and engaging with the content on Bitchute. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step